In part 10, we're going to patch this horrible hole in the left side of the machine. I don't know who cut it out or why someone would, but it is definitely not supposed to be there. Before we dig in, if you haven't already, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. So somewhere down the line, someone decided that they are going to cut a hole in the side of the cabinet for a fan, and then they never put a fan in. They just literally left it here. So now we have this big gaping hole in the side of the freaking machine. So idiotic to do that. So in part 10, we're going to go ahead and, put a patch panel in. We're going to have to make one and weld it in there. So I'm going to give it my best shot. Let's get started with it. I'm going to try to take this piece of paper and kind of see if it kind of outlines it, I guess. I can't remember exactly, but I watched a video where a guy took a piece of paper and traced over where he needed to patch. If I could remember what video it was, I would have gave him credit. Not too shabby. I think that'll give me a decent idea. That way I don't have to keep running back over here and getting measurements. I'm just gonna go off that. That'll work. Now I'm gonna grab a sheet of metal. So let's get to it. This is going to be a very new experience for me. This is the second panel I have ever made, right behind the first one I made in part 5. Okay. I would use the cutoff wheel, but it really makes a mess of things. This metal is so thin, the tin snips work way better. I guess my strategy here is from first grade arts and crafts. Hey, there we go. So with it cut out, let's see if it fits. Some places have a big gap. Okay, let's see. Fits a little bit better. So let's say right in here. Yeah, it's getting better. Hey, there we go. Would you look at that? After several tries later, I got something to fit. Nice. Before we weld, we have to grind down the welding surface first. Now that that's all cleaned up, let's get welding. So let's grab the welder and get this thing done and over with. I just realized something. What am I going to do to hold that thing up? Because I'm not going to rely with it just sitting in there. Actually, I have an idea. I don't know how I feel about my ideas. Where am I going now? Oh, that randomly labeled light switch says attic. Oh, okay. There they are. Wow, I really need to organize up here. Hey, bingo! That's what we want. I knew if I kept these trays, they'd come in handy. Old snap-on tool socket tray. Think about snap-on tool socket trays is they come with these magnets at the bottom of them. So I'm gonna use this to put behind it and hold it up while I weld. You better be right about this. So now I can do this. I know my welding is pretty bad, if not the worst you've ever witnessed. This isn't anything my diagrander can't handle. Is this what you call foreshadowing? Before anybody has an aneurysm over this, please hear me out. Yeah, I'm doing a cliffhanger. So make sure you come back for part 11 so you can find out why. Thanks for watching part 10. Come back for part 11.